I've worked at Sodexo for around 6 months now. I was searching around online for an apprenticeship in this sort of field. I came across Sodexo whilst looking for job roles. They seemed very keen on pushing people to learn. Academic learning isn't my perfect fit. When it comes to the apprenticeship, I really enjoy the hands-on learning because I find myself I learn better whilst doing it rather than just reading about it. What I enjoy about working as an engineer in the hospital is the challenges. So you don't really know what you're going to face. Anything from simple tasks around the hospital such as a call bell to managing and help repairing the systems which keep the air flowing through the hospital and keeping it clean. The opportunities my apprenticeship could open in the future would be, even once I finish the apprenticeship, to continue learning and continue to grow myself and my skills as an engineer.